Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about some crazy savings because we have some really good sales going on at Dollar General this week. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded 2 other DG videos that you definitely need to go and check out. We have new coupons, we have freebies, we have glitches, we have overages, plus we have new clearance markdowns, 2 penny lists for this week, and even more glitches on the second video. So if you missed either one of those, make sure that you go and check them out. They're both going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now let's go ahead and talk about these sales. First up, I do have an update on our home sale event. This has been extended. So we have a sale going on right now. Buy one, get one free. It is on select home items. It does include the toss pillows, floral accessories, lamps, clocks, furniture, shelving, and baskets, but it does exclude the red dot, brown dot, harvest, and Christmas items. DG has decided to extend this sale, so these are going to be buy one, get one free until November the 2nd. Next up, we have a 3-day sale coming up. This one is going to start on Thursday, November the 2nd, and run through Saturday, November the 4th. So don't forget, this week at DG, we have 5 off 25s, and we have 10 off 40 DG store coupons, so we can definitely include some of these sale items and coupon matchups in with our Saturday scenarios. So let's go ahead and take a look at what will be included in this 3-day sale. First up, this is a stock up deal. We have the Barks Root Beer, Mellow Yellow, Seagram, and Minute Maid 2 liters on sale, 3 for $3. Also included, we have the Chester's Hot Fries on sale, 2 for $4, and we have the Nabisco Crackers on sale, 2 for $6. Here's a stock up deal on the Hamburger Helper. These are normally $2.25, but during the 3-day sale, they're going to be $1.25. And then we also have the Celsius Sparkling Waters. They're going to be on sale, 2 for $4. Next up, here is another really amazing stock up deal, and I'm definitely taking advantage of this one. We have the Campbell's Chunky Soups, normally priced at $2.15 each, but during the 3-day sale, they're going to be 8 for $8. Then we are also going to have the Snickers or Twix ice cream. These are normally $5. They're going to be on sale for $4.50. Here we have another stock up deal. We have the Clover Valley 32-ounce broths, the chicken or the beef broth. These are going to be on sale 2 for $2. But it doesn't stop there because here are some more stock up deals. We have the Clover Valley 15-ounce canned pumpkin. These are normally $1.50 each. They're going to be on sale 2 for $2. And then we also have the Clover Valley canned vegetables. These are normally 67 cents each, but they're going to be on sale 2 for $1. Next up, we have the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 12 packs. Right now, I believe they are currently 2 for $13, but during this 3-day sale, they're going to be 3 for $15, and we're going to get a 3 off 3 digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $12 for 3 12 packs. Here we have another stock up deal. We have the Chips Ahoy cookies. They're going to be on sale 3 for $8, and they are normally $3.75 each. Next up, we have the Good Cook Essentials food storage containers and the True Living Snap food storage containers. Both of those are going to be on sale, buy one, get one half off. All right, now next up, I'm not quite sure if Dollar General just had a little mix up here, but here we have the Brawny 2-count paper towels. These are normally $5, and they are already on sale right now for $3.95. All right, next up, we have the stackable shelf. These are normally $15. They're going to be 20% off, so that's going to bring them down to $12. We're also going to have the Comfort Bay throws and blankets. They're going to be on sale, buy one, get one half off. Then we have a $5 instant savings on the sheet sets. Also included, we have these Sterilite laundry baskets. These start out at $10.50, and we're going to have a $5 instant savings, so that is almost exactly 50% off. Now, next up, we have another really amazing deal. Here we have the 18-gallon True Living storage totes. These are priced at $9.50, but during this 3-day sale, they're going to be on sale for just $5, so that's over a 50% savings. All right, next up, I feel like Dollar General could have done a little bit better on this one. Here we have the 6-foot folding tables. These are priced at $45, and they're giving us a $5 instant savings. Now, next up, here's a really good deal. We have the Bobby Brooks men's or women's fleece pants or the crew sweatshirts. These are normally priced anywhere from $8 all the way up to $12.50, and they're going to be on sale 2 for $12. Next up, we have another really good mix and match deal. We have the 6-pack of the Hanes socks, for the family. So men's, women's, and kids are included, and they're going to be on sale too for $10. We're also going to have a sale on the Mr. Clean spin mops. These are normally $24. They're going to be on sale for $15. And then we have the pepperoni dog treats. They're normally $5.50. They're going to be on sale for $4.50. Now, I'm not quite sure if Dollar General just got a few things mixed up or if they did this on purpose, but we already have this coupon matchup right here on the Composure underwear. We did receive a 5 off 1 digital coupon yesterday, so that makes those $11.95. Same goes for this coupon right here. We just received it yesterday on Sunday, so it's saved $3 when you spend $10 on any Believe Beauty cosmetics. And the same thing goes for this 5 off 1 digital coupon on the Conair hairstyling products. We did receive this one yesterday. Unfortunately, it is not attaching to the products yet, so hopefully DG will fix that in their system. And then again, we have one more coupon matchup here. We have the Snuggle and Purex products priced at $4. We did receive a 1 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $3. All right, next up, starting on Thursday, we are going to have the Glad trash bags, normally priced at $9.75. Those are going to be on sale for $8.25. And we're also going to have the Toastmaster electric griddle. These are normally $20. They're going to be on sale for $15. All right, next up, they're already throwing gift ideas out for Christmas. So here we have the Vibe Sound karaoke mic. Those are going to be 15% off. We have the Art and Sound headphones, 15% off. Kids digital cameras, 10% off. And the Hype LED speaker, 10% off. We're also going to have the Frigidaire mini fridge on sale for $20. The Craig Bluetooth tower speaker on sale for $35. And then the Bend & Coloring books are going to be buy one, get one half off. Next up, we have a few instant savings deals. So here we have the Maybelline products. When you spend $10, you're going to instantly save $3 at the register. We also have the L'Oreal products. When you spend $15, you're going to instantly save $5 at the register. And then we also have the Dashing Diva Gloss and Magic Pick Art. When you spend $10, you're going to instantly save $2. We're also going to have a $4 instant savings on the Wall Color Code clippers and a $3 instant savings on the Wall All-in-One trimmers. And we're not even through Halloween yet, so of course Dollar General is going to throw in some Christmas sales. So here we have the mini LED lights. They're going to be 25% off. We also have the holiday floral, buy one, get one half off, and the ornaments, buy one, get one half off. And last but certainly not least, we have the Blue Star, Blue Dot, and Yellow Star toys. They are going to be on sale, buy one, get one half off. And y'all don't forget about that promotion. For when you spend $75, you are going to save an additional 25% off at the register. Now, before you all go, I also wanted to talk to you guys about the 10 off 40 and the 5 off 25. So on Saturday, we had this digital coupon pop up right here. When you spend $10, you are going to receive a 10 off 40 digital coupon for this Saturday. And that pops up pretty immediate as a clipped coupon. Now, if you plan on using your 10 off 40 on Saturday, you may want to pass on clipping your 5 off 25 because the 5 off 25 will apply first. Now, you can go into the store, do a 5 off $25 deal, and then go back in and do a 10 off 40. You can definitely do it that way, but just be aware that that 5 off 25 will come off first if you have both of those clipped to your account. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because I have more crazy deals coming at you all. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things, subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.